Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Shokz OpenFit Air wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not pairing with Bluetooth or they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they keep disconnecting. Any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for any variety of situations where you want to delete all the pairing history off of them and just get them back to the way they were when they came out of the box so that you can set them up as new. So all we need to do this hard reset on here is we're going to go to our phone and delete them off our phone or whatever, so that because when we pair them again, we're going to be pairing them as new. And we're going to start this by putting them in the case as shown here. They're just going to be in the case, and all we're going to do is we're just going to come in and simultaneously hold the multifunction button on the back of each earbud simultaneously for 15 seconds. So just keeping holding it for 15 seconds, and after about 10 seconds, the light on the front of the case will blink, will flash orange for 5 seconds and then go off. Once that goes off, that means that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and take these earbuds out and set them up like a brand new set of earphones.